really pulling power to them subs. Wow. You got a little smell there. Sorry about it. Appreciate the demo, man. Yes, sir. Having fun. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHighCarAudio, and others. Sorry for the wait. Oh, wow. That's a big sub. The magnet.
Two Nightshade V3 15s on a Salt 8 to half on.
Okay. Wow. Nice. Did you build the box?
Yep.
That looks good, man. How thick is your Plexi?
3/4.
3/4? And it's not too big, so it doesn't flex really. Look, I like it. Do you have any lights in there, or you can just see beauty?
Yeah. I just finished it up Friday.
Okay.
Or Thursday.
Thursday.
Trying to get ready for the show.
Yes, sir. Looks really good.
Thank you.
What's the cubic space on it?
8.23.
Okay. You know, right on. There you go.
123 square inches of port, turned to 29.6 hertz.
All right, there you go. Is this a 70 or 80 amp?
70.
Okay. Looks good.
And I've got a 390 and a 200 amp all under the hood.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Is the amp? Where's the amp at?
Behind the seat.
Behind the seat? Okay. Got it. Just had to see it, sorry. What's your it's an amp prior to?
0.5.
0.5, okay.
The fourth iteration I've been through the boxes trying to gain and gain and gain. Sealed up on the dash, I've gained 1.6 dB just switching boxes.
Really? Wow. So you learned, what is your peak on it now? Have you kind of learned that?
I'm peaking at 41 hertz, doing a 151.6 on the glass sealed up.
Okay. That's pretty good. Nice score, man. Really nice. And are you able to compete under window line with how it is?
Yeah.
You are? Okay. Nice work. I like it, man. Wow. What was your name?
Ephraim Hodge.
Ephraim Hodge. All right.
Team compensating.
Team compensating. All right. Do you have another song you want to try?
Yeah, I can tell you.
Okay.
it pulls really hard on the voltage getting down low.
Yeah. Impressive for the no wall. I mean, really efficient. I guess the motor force of the sub and just the efficient box build,
Yeah.
it just makes the whole world of a difference. Appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Ephraim Hodge.
Ephraim Hodge. All right.
Team compensating.
Team compensating. All right. Circles. That was the song. You were playing down to 26. Oh, that's how that was. It was pretty windy for a no wall. Yeah. Yeah, that lower frequency, less rise. You're really pulling power to them subs. Wow. Nice job. You got a little smell there. Sorry about it. Appreciate the demo, man. Yes, sir. Having fun. Did a really good job. I appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you. And that played it. 19 hertz. Wow. Good job with the box and progression. And have a good day, man.